Hello cousins, welcome back to my channel. Guys, before we get started, I just want to say happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day, So, before we get started, I just want you guys to know that this is the next morning of me doing this voiceover, which means I worked hard on this wig because I had no idea where I was going with it. And yeah, as you guys can see, it came out beautiful. But anyway, before we get started, I just want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell. And if you are new, welcome. You are now part of the family. You are first cousin, not second, not third, but first, so we're really blood. And if you are old, thank you for coming back. So we're going to go ahead and get started into the video. I am taking an old 613 wig that I have and, trying a different color on it. The idea I was going for was more 4th of July. I was trying to do like the American flag, red, white, and blue. But I try to add my own little touch on it because I didn't want to make it too common, red, white, and blue. You're going to see when I started off in the back, I was doing like blue, white, the blonde and the red. And then as I got farther to the top, I started doing it a different way. I started doing it a different way just so it can, have a different effect on it, like my own special touch. So you guys are going to see that throughout the video. Right now, I'm just saturating the hair because I like to work with my hair a little wet when I'm doing the color. It makes it easier for me somehow. I don't know why. And then, I'm just pinning it up. So I want you guys to come along with me. Tell me what you guys think about this color. Once we get, to the end of the video or whatever, leave me a comment, thumbs up, and just let me know. I'm open to do more colors. You guys can comment, let me know if you want to see another color. I'm open to doing it. Just let me know. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you the colors I used in the video. So the colors I'm going to be using is the Kiss Collection Blue, Moonlight, and the Ruby Red. Kiss Collection, I bought 2 of each. You're really not going to need 2. I thought I was going to need 2 for this style, but I only end up using like not even a full bottle of both because as you guys are going to see, I was just kind of like, going through the hair with the color. I wasn't like putting the color all over the wig, so it didn't take a lot of color because the effect I was trying to do, I didn't want to do too much. But unfortunately, after I did that, you guys are going to see once I wash it out, like all the colors rubbed together. I had no idea that it was going to do that. So yeah, like I said, I didn't know where I was going with this wig, and I didn't know it was going to turn out like that. But once I shampoo and condition the color out or whatever, all of them start running together. But you guys are going to see that more towards the end. But I'm not going to talk for long. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video, and I will be back throughout the video to chit chat with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and you, baby girl, baby sis, whoever I'm talking to, don't skip them ads, okay? Watch them ads, let them play. Thank you, and I'll be back. stressed me out during this whole process was the frontal, because like I said, this was an old wig that I had, and on this wig I had the frontal like shadow root brown, and I had no idea how to get rid of that. So I was like, I'm gonna have to finesse it some way. And yeah, I did. I don't know. I didn't, expect it to turn out the way it did. Like I said, I didn't expect this wig to look how it did because I was just playing with it. I had no idea where I was going with it, but I ended up, making it do what it do. So yeah, don't ever doubt yourself when you're trying to do something. Just do it, because I don't be knowing where I'm going, and half of the time my fiance be like, "Babe, you know what you're doing. Like, you get it. Do what you know how to do. Like, put your mind to your talent, and it'll turn out." Like, he really talked me into doing this whole process, because I was like, what if this wig don't look good? Like, what if it don't come out? Because I was going to try some rainbow kind of stuff, but I was like, well, Pride Month is over, so let me do something different. And he talked me into the whole thing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this far, and I'll be back. So as you can see, it's finished. I let it sit for about 2 hours just so the color wouldn't run off. Then I went and washed it out, and then I'm gonna style it. I didn't blow dry and stuff on camera because my battery was dead, well low, and I was letting it charge. But I'm just gonna style it, and then we'll see the results at the end. I'll be back. Alright guys, so after a long day of doing this, it took me forever. I don't even know how this about to look, but we gonna see. It was supposed to be like the 4th of July, but my blonde, when I went to go wash the color out, color got on the blonde, so now it looks a little bit purplish, reddish, bluish. It's back here, it's still giving 4th of July, but we're gonna see. Let's just take it down. We're gonna see, But cousins, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Show your cousin some love. Turn on your post notification bell so you can receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, but let's go ahead and take these down and see what it's giving, honey. Because I'm not sure what it's giving. But let's see. I think they're all out. Okay, so alright, look. Ooh, ooh. Bounce, 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 bounce. That's kinda cute. Kinda cute. It's giving me, you know. Oh, I might have to curl that one over. Let me turn my curlers on just in case. I need to curl a few of them over. Listen. This lace is not melted. It ain't, but y'all get the vibe, okay? Don't come for me unless I see for you. This is not, this mirror is giving me problems. This is stressing me out. Y'all don't know how much stress I done been through today working on this wig. But let's go ahead. Oh, I think I broke a nail. We'll worry about that later. Let's go ahead and comb it out. So I'm going to start with combing, but brushing this side out. And kind of like, I'm not gonna brush too hard because I want my curls to kind of stay in. So I'm kind of gonna like, I probably need to like lay it some more. Do I need to lay it some more? I'm not doing this wig over. It'll be alright. This was just a video for my channel. Oh, wait a minute now. Let me see. Okay. Let me style it. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and this is what it's giving. Yeah, I did something, y'all. Let me turn around so y'all can see the little white streaks to see if it's giving 4th of July. Let me know what y'all think. I like it actually. It came out really cute. Like you could style it. Let me see. Like, look, it actually came out cute, guys. Let me see. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. I actually like it. Surprised me because I had no idea where I was going with this color. I really didn't. And I just started playing with some mess. Okay. Alright, I think I like it like that. What y'all think? I look like back in the day when they would curl their hair up and put on their fancy dress or something and they gloves. But it's giving. It's giving. Yeah, period. Let me know what y'all think down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if it's a, you know, yay or nay. I think it's a yay. I don't really care if y'all say a nay. Really don't. But I really like it. I actually like it. It's really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see any other colors. Do not try to talk about my lace because this wig is not melted. It is lace anyway. Like, I just put it on to see how it looked because, you know, blah blah. But anyway, leave me a comment down below. Turn on your post notification bell. That way you can receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Become part of my family. You know, we're cousins now. Be a cousin. Be a hater. We're cousins. Anyway, yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned because we have plenty more to go. And drop a color down below because I'm ready to try any and everything. Like, you feel me? So yes, until then, my cousins, I will see you guys in my next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this hair color with me because I did. Ooh, oh, all right, so look at the bottom, y'all. You can see it more there. Yeah, but let me know and see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She got him another one.